Welcome to Mira's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very spicy, easy fish curry at home. So let's get into the video. So for this recipe we need 9 to 10 pieces of garlic, 2 big sized ginger, chili powder, tamarind syrup, salt, turmeric powder, peppercorn, cumin seeds, 1 cup grated coconut, oil, 1 large size tomato, 1 large size onion, and 1 kilo fish. For the masala we need 5 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon peppercorn, 5 teaspoon chili powder, 1 cup grated coconut, 1 large tomato, a half onion, ginger, and garlic. Add water if it's required and grind it into a very fine paste. So now I'm gonna marinate the fish with some salt and some turmeric. Mix the fish well and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now heat the pan and put some oil in it. Add the half onion and fry until it's golden. Now add the fish in it and let it cook on low flame for 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, add the masala we already grind into the fish. Add 1 cup of water, add 1 teaspoon tamarind syrup. Stir the fish very carefully, cover the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the fish is ready to be served. So I hope you all liked the recipe. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.